ufuru baby na mfuru baby ne be pifia. But sisi na it and right now. But me send the so oba so no ete my wife. My girlfriend as sisi me nete. Inti sisi we are in a relationship. Inti no if we na ko so hu say me run it them so hu say bia yina baby fi anu ana ye bibia we are in a relationship. Inti ne yes ha.
Di na fani se wo bra panyini. Me do abe kire me yire a me be wan.
Enya o yire.
Mate.
Kewudi enya o yire.
Mfa nko be bia na emo sammo ma papa wi.
Kwenyina fa. Wenyina. Ah, ye gina dua bi so ne yesterday.
You say my brother man. Fa. Okay.
Ah, she. Kewudi, jaja wo chen ne jaja wo chen. Ah, e dey so no.
I mean, already know some.
Why dey?
Already know some.
Kewudi yenye family sem family fam fakin na nko bi. Ah, tell me again to what time was the family?
What's a family releasing new song? Penkum them.
Vai, fe. Ti we you pese e from nu didi bom. Oba abomu. Abomu a otibo bai.
Now what wrong sound?
Ngu ye ni masi too much.
Yeah, how your brains.
Again no kra. On the assignment ka.
Shit.
Go free na ba.
Okay, kai baby na wo am do ba how.
Na oba to say so free to that so na ba so free hen. Oba ye you are.
Bra. I mean,
Be picking the man.
Ko ni mo.
O particular ya che. O ko ni mo ka o kan po atre ni mo.
Ko ni mo. Yes, my dama and crantiare. Be minim se me ye papa se na me na egu abonten. Hey! Ampisienti. Wabo apisie mi yi ba ko just ampisie. Just by rampesi. Hey! Awo a wish we di oba. Na minim se me pie no, me che foforo. A chisik ni ba kama. Ah! Hey! Pentecost asori e wa hai eskafo mankwa bi pina menam road no nkwa dia shala mashallah ere hoini wa sama da kind na bebo he aveyo bawi diskabe ufu refresh solta mononchomcho.
I'll stop see you later. Oh, I'll see you.
Good morning. Are you living around?
Yes, I do.
But you first look at me like familiar.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Oh, yeah. You first look at me like familiar.
What was that?
When I am there, minyum.
Himpa.
Oh, are you living in UK before?
No.
Anybody so? Wow.
Do you live in the UK?
Oh, yeah. I'm living in the UK.
Which part of the UK?
Actually, you're busy in Como. But I can't find a free bar.
Mifiasa.
April, sorry. Oh, last time, let me trim. The way I saw for the preaching, no. Pepper. I need the way.
You go inside.
Oh, no, I'm dirty.
No, you are not dirty. In the house of the Lord, you are not dirty.
I know, but when you go to church, we have to look nice. Then you go church.
It's okay.
Yeah.
God loves you this way. And the pastor will be very happy to meet you.
What?
Let's go and meet him.
Oh, no, listen. What's your name?
Martha.
Oh! Maranatha! Oh, that's good. Now, the H, you know, Me sorry.
What I don't want to mean by it.
Oh, Debbie, and then what should you why you are? Oh, me, to ma.
Let's just a one pass sorry.
Oh, I like church. I'm a Christian.
When was the last time you went to church?
Oh, that's what I told you. I'm not living here. I'm living UK. That's what you see me. Yeah.
But you go to church in the UK?
Oh, yeah. Every day I go to church. Yeah.
Every day? Or every Sunday?
Oh, yeah. Every day. Yeah.
Every day?
Yeah. I'm a pastor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's your favorite quotation in the Bible?
Luke 16:19.
What is
Yeah. The Bible say, the rich man, sorry, you know, and was me cry, didi, nanom, one the pabebre, the mao, na radicatan say, okwasia, and majoka, everyone some.
I think you like to tell fibs. I don't have time.
No, listen. I can lie you don't know me. Huh? What name that? And the name is Yao.
What's your name?
You name my name?
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is KOD. Actually, Mr. KOD.
KOD.
Yes.
Kofi Ocheridafu. What's that for?
Oh, me didn't know. Me disguise him.
What is that? So from who?
Oh no! Listen. Actually, you didn't come up. We talk later.
But I know KOD. You are not KOD.
No, I'm not saying KOD. You know. No.
Ah, okay,
yeah,
okay.
That's good.
So what's your name?
My name is KOD.
What does it stand for?
Yabekasa.
Okay.
Okay, so
okay, have a wonderful day.
Oh, and
God be with you.
Thank you. But please, can I sing some gospel sing to me?
No, I can give you Hail Mary. You know Hail Mary?
Oh yeah, I know Hail Mary. Yeah.
Okay, can you recite Hail Mary?
Oh no, you recite first. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to recite with me?
Yeah.
Okay, Hail Mary.
Hail Mary.
Full of grace.
Full of grace.
The Lord is with thee.
The Lord is with thee.
I think you're a joker.
Oh no! Listen, I'm not joking.
Okay.
You talk later.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Yes, you. Please. Listen. I'm so sorry. I hide my identity with the kafra. Me de mais ye kakra. Madam Tiffy na flower. If you na flower abronsan green no. Media.
If you're near here.
Oh, if you know no green one, ufli lemon na uba fanta lemon na na meti. Yeah.
Me papa feel.
Oh, Debbie.
That's my father's house. You mean
minka green no?
Nani.
Ufli lemon green na no aba ice violet no side. I want American.
Auntie Grace feel.
Oh, Debbie, no.
Auntie Grace.
Auntie Grace. I don't know Auntie Grace. Me, no, I don't live in Ghana. Me cry no mantra area. And if you go be nim say me fee because me I live in UK.
Where in the UK?
UK. Now Milton Keynes. Yeah. Milton Keynes. Oh, UK. Yeah.
Milton Keynes.
Milton Keynes. Well, you're very good. I like a person who does. Yeah. Intimate poor Milton Keynes, no. Now I want to me ship to Birmingham. Yeah. Me ship to Birmingham. Me free by Birmingham and me bag Gano. We come meet you flowers as soon as say. And I'm saying, yeah, you kakra.
Flower. Me Auntie feel.
Oh, there be and you want to feel.
Not just a one.
Oh, there be someone to say when him kill the bugger now powerful for now on Casano. Yeah.
I say a honor me fear and pay sorry.
And I'm just who feel. But me name say what about in your fear to soon and unim lira. You feel we all cry no a bugger now unim lira. Oh,
minim, it's a me matna.
If you were in
all my life.
Oh, if you are over Guinness and Nura near Banani Rana Casawa.
So you're pushing.
Oh, me a question say, don't do that. Don't do that. Man, yes, meet me your number.
Oh, dear.
Oh, say be it may be me bass, sorry, I be a me who nanka me a casa. Oh, and yeah, you be.
No, you can go to church on your own. That was what he has said.
Yeah.
Into piano class, so you don't need me.
Oh, but in your navy, just maybe choco and be.
What's that?
Oh, like choco, but yeah.
But what's that? What's choco?
Oh, just friends. You don't know choco.
I don't want to be your friend.
Oh, but who name me that thing? Who name me that?
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I'm KOD. Yeah.
What do you do?
Oh, I'm a businessman.
What kind of
businessman?
What ship? What kind of ship?
Oh, yeah. I'm a fisherman. Yeah, in UK.
You're a fisherman in the UK?
Yes.
Where in the UK do you ply your trade?
The trading is Yebekasa. How many down where Infantino? How are you criminal? I lay up here. Hey, him there.
Mignon could be a lawyer in Timothy.
How young can a lawyer? Oh, a lawyer was Ghana and
I had a gun.
Oh, I've been a lawyer before.
Where?
Yeah, lawyer.
The UK?
Lawyer. Yeah, some lawyer could touch me. Everybody know me in UK. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
I see.
So,
I think you are a tale teller.
So.
Tale teller. Yeah, you like to tell
But
fibs.
you were funny. That's what I do.
Yeah.
Can you give me put your number on this one?
You want to put my number on this cheap thing?
Ow.
Are you serious? Are you serious in life?
Ow. And your phone number for example. Nipa number for example.
What benefit will I get from being your friend?
Oh, but just a friend.
No, I don't want you to be my friend. I like friends who are beneficial to me.
So you need benefits, right?
Yeah, of course.
What benefit friendship you need it?
Oh, I don't need to tell you because I don't.
Money, houses, car.
You don't have any.
I got more, but you don't know me.
Yes. KOD.
Yes. So, buy your shoes is nice.
Yeah.
Is that mock?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, SDA mock?
S what?
Oh, SDA mock, yeah.
No, this is not SDA mock.
Well, you like multicolors. That's good.
Multi what?
Colors.
Ah, right.
Yeah. What were you doing? How?
I can't put my number on this.
You can't put your number on this one?
Don't have my
Lady.
Fuck to the hat.
Lady. Huh. Gays me sighting if rechly pan and me benina send kawedie machi fufro. Akwa mitiri nye. Hey, we gaga say ya packaging kwa. Gaga say ya. Afi wechi no dampenim na afi. Bema fun awo no. Bema fun wo wane ya. Ben kwase ya. Machi fufro.
A cry girl, la shoe or betro shiggy. Don't compare my baby. See 300 attention.
I'm your man. Hold your hands and take you to my friend. Show you
Baby,
told you I'm the man.
baby, please, I'm done.
You go need where I know go try do one for you.
Okay.
Only you, but
Yeah.
like Opoku.
And they are tassel. Maybe saying,
Bambila, you
saying,
me like Koti.
saying,
You like zombie.
atastic atasa.
Bambila, give me that pussy. Give me that
Baby,
pussy. Give me that pussy.
I'm waiting.
Bambila.
I'm waiting for you, baby.
Pussy. Give me that pussy. Give me that pussy. Bam.
Hannah. Hey, we did hold on the wrong time, you know. I'm coming.
Nah.
I'm so whoopy.
Baby, cry, mama, my young cobra.
Give him water.
I said, be okay,
I was there.
Trouble, no. Okay.
Now, maybe I was a give him water. Send no stop you from going outside.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, you are there.
KOD. I'm full so with you.
Hey, ceremony being the aging of ya.
Who could allow woman?
Ceremony.
What kind of question is that? This boy, no name so me boy.
I just asked him.
You know he's my boyfriend. So banana tama try more. He can't try more. O say yeah.
So I'll be shower dana.
I think tell me just my copy.
Opoku, let's go.
My copy of us. Right. Fish. Me copy of us.
Me marry. See, I told you.
Hey,
Come on, coffee. Come on, me copy of us.
Coffee. Here is our Oriakwe.
Baby,
No, mommy.
first things first, I'm glad I'm your man. Hold your hands and take you to my farm. Show you all my plans.
I don't know why you did that. I bet you be 5 minutes to say. Me want to crank us, Kill the Anitiana. A moment cancel, kill the air day be free fear. Me one quantity, air day boko, and a common any dear, what your penny as a so boko. It is a say then I was a drinking of you.
But comedian men pay me was me dream me home. No, I try to stay out of trouble. Okay, I did kill a dear and me ninja home. And since my parents passed, I've been trying to stay low key and avoid this type of things.
Your parents has passed away. That's a junk out here. Oh, my no papa film. Oh, what a tragedy. Sorry. Oh, Kafra wati. Kafra say makobo chem so Kafra. Minim coming misao kara. I'm so sorry about that. Oh, when did they pass away?
2 years ago. Accident.
Accident? Which road? Accra Kumasi Road. Oh, Papa ne ba newspaper nana. They no mu yi ni news UTV ni adem. The car na share ya car na tete ya. Oh, Papa na tete ya na ye ni ti interview no. Mama, our Papa ti da wa UTV ni TV3 for jana na ma. Faraday sin you bisan say then na ni tinite ya no chirichiri mo. Mama. Etire no timi chiri ma say I need water. No bring so no no. O chiri mu we na o yi say na training so we. Is that your father? Oh, sorry. What a tragedy. I'm so sorry. So how many are you?
You
are 2.
Yeah.
Is he a boy or a girl?
A girl. You're friend Kira.
So you are 2. Oi. Who na me ba mi unu me ni da hye no so.
Opoku. Ono nso. Seja. Mama ni me papa ti ase no ma kokko ne sainti. Omu film no me ese letian na matne no kakwa ni bofu we free film ntinenka. She doesn't pick my calls, she doesn't reply my messages. Just a mini baby call.
No so tifia bia na.
Debi ni eti ebusi efie ha de onim ha. Na hwehwe ne sa.
Na we yankrabo ne center.
Opoku.
Obi nim se wo butu ayi ma no papa ni wiase. O sister ba ko pa kan so a wo tete no. Adisi ya wona nam he.
I have no idea.
Na ya hun frɛ no.
You free no for me call.
Na test no.
I'm replying.
Na Snapchat eh. On reply. Kafra. We dey Kafra. Because So my pa no papa film kaba kukure film ajaba kukura nke but me nyina film is there ya na wo nua ba keto ase bi ude no ba chitro re ono nso ni won chan ya but ni nyina mo no na hope on see emphasize that man and I mention see this year na maba abrabum I'm here for you and I'm here for good. Unya bibia you just tell me say I been chere ore wo de ka chere me amechitro re we are say we chitite fru ni pa ka fra what I can would this asabet na what tem san manam obeko what they were catch me kula no eni brebi ni e bi amede be sin pressure bi amede be sin so no yen ka so onko ba no abema no bag so frifia anti kon kuma to ye why mama rap on afra what Lord have mercy upon me shop tell you rest ya we dey na you rather me
Yesterday.
You rather say any gym war almost say in a year. You rather than a couple matter. And you rather you run you got to name a name now. Hey. Well, I mean, you say, I said, I will see a table. I'm just one now, so a table. So, one night different from Bokasa.
Say different.
Oh, that's a gigi, bao casas moton. Oh, not dear home. Hey, Uncle Anna, you boy. Then a young quay, and that's why our horse and me knew the other way of my empanaster. Hey, young quay, Nanny.
Okay, come in,
I'm a cut also,
come in.
Oh, yin and I am come on in a fay. City pie. Let's go. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Let's go. I'm gonna go here rolling in a room. Right? I'm gonna go put your day to my put your you came for.
Okay.
What's that? My put your you came for.
Messages.
Anytime I manage a fan off. Ebi a stene kiwiana stene tema ebi ana o mama sto amoka de wefo
What's it?
Na za ube vigitebe udi bibi ebe moka amade we
Tema.
Onti ase ana me pucho vigi ukem for vigi gido nene Lester
Me a man, hold your hands and take you to my fan. Show you all my plans.
Odo papa wana nubinya. Odo papa wana nubinya. Odo papa wana nubinya. Odo papa wana nubinya.